Good day, viewers. Our this lecture is tutorial on linear equation because in this channel we are going to be presenting you the lecture and a tutorial. So in today's lecture we are going to discuss on linear equation tutorial. Equation is a mathematical statement that shows the equality between two expressions. For example, when we have 3x plus 2 is equal to 4x plus 6. This is what an equation. Because this is expression, and this is the equality sign. So this equality sign has what? Made these two expressions to be what? To be equation. Because it is saying that 3x plus 2 is equal to 4x plus 6. So we call this an equation because of this what? Because of this equality sign. That is why the definition said it's a mathematical statement that shows the equality between two expressions. Like I told you, this is an expression and this is an expression. While linear equation is a type of equation that has one unknown, like this. It has one unknown, x and the x. It has one variable because we call this is called coefficient and this is called variable. This is what called coefficient and this is variable. So under linear equation, we are going to solve two examples. One is saying that we should solve 4x plus 3 is equal to 3x plus 12. You see, we are given 4x plus 3 equal to 3x plus 12 to solve. So what do we do first? The solution. Solution. By looking at this, we are going to do what is called collecting the lactams or rearrangement. We look at the terms that look alike, we merge them together. So by mere looking at this, we have 4x and we have 3x. They have the same variable. So we what? We merge them together. We take this 3x, cross this equal sign, and meet this 4x. Therefore, we have 4x. So this is positive 3x, and when it crosses the equal sign, it will turn to minus. Therefore, we say minus 3x. Then this 3 plus 3 and this plus 12, they also look alike because they don't have variable. They are constant. So now we introduce our equality sign. Having introduced our equality sign, then this 3 that is left here, we take it cross the equal sign to make this 12. So this positive 3, when it crosses the equal sign, it will become minus 3. Then plus 12. Having arrived at this step, then what do we do? Simple. We say 4x minus 3x, we are left with x equal to minus 3 plus 12. minus 3 plus 12. Don't be confused. It's the same as 12 minus 3 because this is positive 12 and this is minus 3. Therefore, we say that minus 3 plus 12 is going to give us 9. Therefore, our x in this case is equal to 9. Example 2 is saying we should solve 3 open bracket x minus 2 close bracket equal to 4 open bracket 2x minus 5. Question 2 is saying that we should solve 3 into x minus 2 close bracket 4 close bracket equal to 4 open bracket 2x minus 5. Very good. What do we do? The first stage. This is our solution. So the first step of what we need to do is we open this bracket. After opening this bracket, then we come to this and also open this bracket. So now we say that, how do we open this bracket? We take this value outside the bracket and multiply by each term in the bracket. Therefore, we say 3 times x is going to give us 3x minus 3 times 2, because we have minus here already and we put it here. 3 times 2 is going to give us 6. Then we what? Write our equality sign. Then we come to this and also open this bracket. We say that 4 times 2x. Therefore, we have 8x. Then we come again and say 4 times minus 5 is going to give us minus 20. So you see, by opening the bracket, it is now looking like the first question. So therefore, as it is like this, what are we supposed to do? We what? Collect. Like terms. We collect what? The like terms. This 3x and this 8x, they look alike. Then we take this 8x, cross the equal sign to meet its partner, 3x. Therefore, we have 3x. When this positive 8x cross the equal sign, it will turn to minus. Then we say minus 8x. We put our equality sign. Then we have this minus 6. When this minus 6 cross the equal sign, on the effort to meet this 20, its partner that they look alike, then this minus will turn to what? Will turn to positive, will turn to plus. Therefore, we have 6 minus 20. Mind you, in mathematics, if you see values standing alone, for example, 3, it means that 3 is positive 3. If you see 4, it means this 4 is positive integer, is positive 4. But when it is negative, when it is minus 3, it will be indicated. When it is minus 4, it will also be indicated. So, but in the case of positive value or positive integer is not indicated. But when you see it alone, it means that value or that figure is positive 1. So now we have arrived at this. So now we have arrived at this. Then what do? We simply say that 3x minus at x is going to give us minus 5x equal to 6 minus 20 is going to give us minus 14. Then what next? We can decide to say that this minus cancel this minus. But notwithstanding, we can say that divide both sides by minus 5. Because we are looking for the value of x. Then we divide the both side of the equation, both side, by the coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? Minus 5. Therefore, we have minus 5x equal over minus 5 equal to minus 14 over minus 5. This minus 5 will cancel this minus 5. We are left with x. This minus cancel this minus. We are left, therefore, x is equal to 14 over 5. The answer.